As you may well understand, after such a physically demanding, tiresome day, obviously what we really needed were 12 more touring hours. After having successfully cooled off in the first day and tried some local food, we wanted more of the same, obviously because by the next day we will have been back to the reality of scorching Dubai. But for now, the dream was still going on. Here's the thing with the castles. They look epic and all of that until you get to own one. Just imagine the headache. Maintaining this hell of a structure, manning the walls, cooking for the guards, stocking fuel for winter. I mean, as a castle owner, you don't actually have to do all of those things, but you have to make sure they're done. And what if someone decided they want to take your castle away from you? That's a whole new level of headache. I'm 99% sure similar thoughts crossed the minds of this Akhaltsikhe Castle defenders back in the end of the 14th century when Tamerlane's armies attacked. And here's another thing with the castles. They'll last way longer than their original creators. You get to be born, live and die in the same castle. When something exists for centuries, it's bound to change owners, even acquire new names. For example, long before this one was known as Akhaltsikhe, it was originally named Lomsia Fortress, which literally translates as a lion. When Lomsia grew into a real city, the fortress took on a new name, Akhaltsikhe, which literally means new castle. Eventually though, even the stone yields under the pressure of time. This fortress was largely and extensively reconstructed around 10 years ago.
Mr. Mansour.
Very excited for this Cavetown. It's amazing actually. I want to know how they built these.
The Cave City, or Vardzia, originally was a military base built by Georgi III at the end of 12th century. The legend goes though that each day the tools used to dig the caves would mysteriously move to an undug location, which was seen as divine intervention. Georgi's niece and later Georgia's first female sovereign, Queen Tamar, was responsible for making it more of a religious place. She's also known to give the place its name. Young Tamar got lost here once, and they searched for her the entire day, calling, "Where are you? Where are you?" She finally replied, "Ak Vardzia," meaning, "Here I am." And so here we were, 800 years later, exploring this unique place and putting our fitness to the test. The concluding part of our journey was the Borjomi water tasting from the actual source. Discovered over 1,000 years ago and located in a town of the same name, this water has proven positive therapeutical effects for those with health issues ranging from immune system, dental health care, and stomach. And it tastes like, figuratively speaking, rusted pipes tap water. Sorry, Borjomi. I've never tried the bottle version of it. Might have an improved taste. To-do list updated.
So this is traditional цыплята табака, Georgian chicken. How is it? Is it juicy? It's juicy, yeah?
Smell the even tasting different.
So
not like a normal chicken.
Is it juicy?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. And this is called kemali. How does it taste? Sour. Do you like?
Very good.
Enjoy.
Final thoughts. So, when we are back next time, we'll hire a personal driver or rent out a car. That way, we'll be much more in control of our time and have a greater freedom of movement.
Our check-in begins in
Thanks for watching,
15 minutes.
and until the next video.